Those of you watching from the city, this is how we do macaroni and cheese in the country with ramps. They don't know about that.
Added a nice little West Virginia twist to an old favorite.
West Virginia twist, macaroni and cheese.
I'm making my pie crust.
Whoa. Getting fancy here, huh? This is how we do it out here. Chef Ryder's house. Everything homemade. Everything organic from scratch. Better ingredients equals better pizza. And it also equals better food.
Make for the juiciest chicken that you've ever had.
Well, that's some flavor injection there, huh? Out here in the country, like the Turtle Man, yee, live action on this homemade, organic, everything apple pie by Buffy the Master at dessert. Yeah, the finished product. I'm so hungry, I almost forgot to film it. Did y'all see it? Rotisserie. Flavor injection. Look at that chicken. It's nice and juicy. Yeah, boy. Chef Ryder. Topped Buffy's pie with vanilla ice cream, and it was amazing.